Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to make horse gram soup. This is a very effective home remedy for cough and cold. For the recipe, add half a cup of horse gram in a pressure cooker and dry fry them. Once this is fried well, add a quarter teaspoon of Asafetida and give a nice saute. To this add 1 onion, 1 tomato, 6 to 8 garlic cloves, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of crushed pepper, half a teaspoon of curry leaves powder or few curry leaves, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, few coriander leaves, required amount of salt and 2 cups of water. Give everything a nice mix. Let this start boiling. Once it starts boiling, you can close the pressure cooker and cook this for 4 to 5 whistles. This is after 4 whistles. The horse gram has turned soft. Now let us filter this and separate the water. We will use the water later, and the rest of the thing you have to cool it down and transfer this into a mixie jar and grind it into a fine paste. The paste is ready. Transfer this into a pan. Add half a cup of water. Give a nice mix, then add the filtered horse gram water. Bring this to a boil. Once it starts boiling, add the required amount of salt, required amount of pepper powder and few chopped coriander leaves. Let this boil for another 4 to 5 minutes. Once it is ready, you can top this with few more chopped coriander leaves. So here our horse gram soup is ready. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.